When you're in the market with a budget of 7 to 9 lakhs looking out for a car, which car models come to your mind? You have the compact sedans like the Honda Amaze, you have the Hyundai Aura, you also have the Volkswagen Amio to buy. But then you also have the premium hatchbacks like the Tata Altroz, the i20 and the Honda Jazz. Well, right here, right now, you have a proper 3-box sedan in that price range. You have the 2020 Skoda Rapid. Welcome to Motor World India, and let me tell you how the 2020 Skoda Rapid actually feels. Back in 2011, Skoda launched the Rapid sedan, and since then, it has gone to become the face of the Skoda brand in India. The sedan got a major facelift a few years back, and now it's back with an all-new TSI heart, thanks to the BS6 norms. The exteriors of the 2020 Skoda Rapid remains the same. The car still looks smart and handsome. The Rapid was always ahead of its time, and as a result it manages to still stay relevant with the new kids on the block. To start off, the Rapid is now only available with one petrol engine option. Here with us we have the top of the line Monte Carlo trim that gets a special badging on the B-pillar, 16-inch alloy wheels and also a tiny lip spoiler on the boot. On the insides, the Skoda Rapid has always been of classic European benchmark standards. Everything feels very solidly built using top-class materials. Even though the Rapid feels a bit out of place in terms of features against its rivals like the Honda City and the Hyundai Verna, but it really shines where it matters, be it the value proposition or its fun-to-drive factor. Talking of the fun-to-drive factor, the Rapid in the Monte Carlo trim comes with a flat-bottom steering wheel, which comes wrapped in hand-stitched perforated leather, which provides the extra bit of satisfaction. The leather-covered seats come with special Monte Carlo stitching and badging on them. The instrument cluster is the same and has always been legible and very pleasing to read. What gets added on the feature list is the all-new 7-inch touchscreen AVN unit, which is basically an Android tablet. The smart part on it is that it is as good as having an extra mobile unit, where you can access apps like YouTube, Netflix, etc. and also browsers. In short, access all the apps that is available on the Android Play Store. The driver's seat gets manual adjust for height, while the front seats offer excellent support and comfort level. The rear seating is also perfectly angled with good amount of leg space. The rear seats get adjustable twin headrests and a foldable armrest along with the rear AC vents. The Monte Carlo trim also comes with a pair of specially badged cushions that emphasize on the premiumness. The biggest highlight on the 2020 Rapid is its all-new heart. Due to the BS6 norms, the earlier petrol and diesel engines have been phased out, and in comes a brand new 1-litre TSI petrol engine. This is a 3-cylinder unit which hits out 110 PS of power and 175 Nm of torque. This engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the latest BS6 engine from the Skoda Volkswagen family that is and would be powering many other car models too. Engine comes into its real character when the turbo kicks in. This is when you experience the sheer pleasure and the fun factor on the Rapid. You have the short throw gear shifts. You have an excellent steering, as I have mentioned. The hallmark of this 1-litre 3-cylinder engine is its efficiency and its refinement. You have lots of power at all the power bands. You have the turbo supporting the engine at all the times, and you never feel any lack of power anywhere. Speaking of things that we miss on the Rapid, topping the list is the placement of the USB port. I'll show you how. If you are totally belted up and you're driving and you need to connect your phone for charging, you have to stretch to the glove box. This is how you connect. You have to go to the extreme left. That's where the port is. Once it's connected, you can't close the glove box, so you have to put the phone in. Bye-bye phone. The Rapid Monte Carlo also gets rear sunblinds that work like this. This is how they come off, and then this is how they go back on. The boot capacity on the Rapid stands at 460 liters, which is quite adequate. You get 465 liters on the Hyundai Verna, you get 506 liters on the City, and 510 on the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. So yes, you get a perfect value proposition with the 2020 Skoda Rapid, which starts at rupees 7.99 and goes up to 11.79. At this price, it also outdoes many compact SUVs, many compact sedans and the premium hatchbacks also. You get the premium Skoda badging, you get a proper 3-box sedan at this price that is powered by a very component and a very peppy 1-liter TSI engine. What you get in the package and at this price, the Skoda Rapid 2020 is a steal deal.